Hello, welcome to my course on Get E-commerce. In this course, I will be learning and teach you how to get set up the successful Amazon business with the special focuses on fulfilled by Amazon. Thank you for taking the time to enjoy this course. First, a little bit about me. I have 4 year hand-on experience of selling on Amazon. I have a company called Hello Baby, which is the online retailer baby nursery product. We sell about a third of our product on Amazon, and that's about $2 million a year. When I have got a customer on the Amazon from all over the world, so I sell on Amazon United Kingdom, but also Amazon in the United States, America, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, Australia, Canada, and Japan. I live in a place called Canada, which is in the North America, and this course is divided into the 17 different sections, each of which look at the different aspects of Amazon platform. The first section is about opening an Amazon account, which will look at the requirement for opening account, the different types of the account, and some of the pitfall that you can come across. Secondly, I will look at the fulfillment option, and I also look at the fulfilled by Amazon, which is called FBA, but also the other option for filled by merchant and seller for the full time. Thirdly, I will look at the Amazon listening, and that will look at the different aspects of listening and how to optimize a listing to perform well and Amazon search and also the convert. Well, I will then look at the Amazon search and investigate what it takes to do well in Amazon search and how the Amazon search work if you are creating the number of the listening. There are different options and you can create listening manually or you can upload listening in bulk. And I will be looking at all the different options. Well, then move on to the pricing and I will consider what it takes to win the buy box on the Amazon and at different dynamic pricing options available. Well, then look at the delivery option. You can set on Amazon both for merchant for deliveries and also fulfilled by Amazon deliveries. Next, I am going to look at fulfillment by Amazon both in terms of how it is set up on Amazon and how it is managed in the term of its setting and also sending stock to the Amazon fulfilled by Amazon fulfillment houses. Next is the reporting and I am going to look at the reporting that available on the Amazon and what I can tell us about how well the sales are doing and also the performance of an account. Once you sold some good products, you need to manage the orders. And I am going to look at the merging orders screen and the feature of that within the Amazon and also the customer messaging functionality. So performance is a very important part of the Amazon and the Amazon has some strict benchmarks that is using to measure its seller. And if you fall foul of these benchmarks, your account can get shut down. So it is very important to understand these. Amazon Business is a program within the business that allows businesses to businesses sell and has some special features. For example, business discounting and also the invoicing. And I am going to look at growing your sales both in the terms of the programs that are available. For example, discounts and the promotions. Then we are going to move on to the Amazon sponsored product and the opportunities to advertise your own products on Amazon using a cost per click advertising platforms. But unfortunately, we are going to look on how you can promote your brand on Amazon in the terms of how do you register it on Amazon brand registry. And then finally, I am going to look at the selling outside your home country. How do you expand into the different Amazon international sites? Just before we finish the introduction, I want to say a few things about the Amazon. Not that it really needs any introduction. The company was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in Seattle. It is now the world's largest online retailer and it is also at the same time world's largest online marketplace. What that means is that the third party seller can sell product alongside the Amazon owned products. It has presence in 16 countries including all the major e-commerce but certainly western e-commerce marketplaces and the sales are still growing very strongly. That grew by 20% in 2022 and that is almost unbelievable for a 20-year-old company. It is a massive opportunity for the entrepreneurs and the online retailers, and it is really the first port call of these days where people aren't looking to launch new brands, but also for larger brands looking to find new marketplaces. That is for this video. I hope you get the insightful information from this video, and the more videos are in the pipeline. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your friend, colleague and your family member, and subscribe the bell icon of Get E-commerce. I will see you guys in my next lecture.